How to use Whiteboard on Google Meet. First, make sure you're in the meeting. I've already joined the meeting. Click on the tools icon that you can see on the screen. You can see the tools over here. Find the option for Whiteboard. Click on it. If you do not see the option for Whiteboard, you'll have to add it. Click on the option Add-ons. Click on the option Browse the Marketplace. Now you can see various apps and tools that you can add in the Google Meet. Click on the search bar. Search for Whiteboard. See the results. Find the whiteboard that you would like to install. Click on it. After you do that, you'll be able to see the details. Click on the option Install. I've already installed it. After it is installed, simply click on this option Whiteboard. Click on the option Open Whiteboard. Now the whiteboard will be opened. You can go ahead and use it. People will be able to see whatever you do in this whiteboard. Like this, you can use Whiteboard on Google Meet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.